Hi, I'm Chef Alex. I'm the founder of Vegan Wagon, and I offer delicious, organic, gluten-free, plant-based food directly to your door.
Vegan Wagon brought to me balance in my lifestyle, in my energy, the way I process it, but also the instant recovery of when I exercise and things like that.
I would recommend Vegan Wagon to anybody. You know, it's been the kind of thing where Alex has created gourmet food. In the past, you know, vegan food has had a bad reputation for not tasting well. But with Chef Alex's gourmet food, it really tastes terrific.
You can subscribe on the Vegan Wagon newsletter. Every week you will receive some free tips, videos, and content that you can learn how to adapt your life around this plant-based revolution, so you can hop on the wagon of a long, happy, healthy life.